Hello guys, welcome on program's overview of the washer dryer Haier. So the first program is a express washing 40 minutes, the maximum load is a 1.5 kilogram. The next one is a mix 59 minutes, 4.5 kilogram. This one is a synthetics 4.5 kilograms. Next one is a hygienic washing, the maximum load is a 6 kilogram. This one is washing in the 20 degrees of Celsius of the water, and the maximum load is 9 kg. Eco 40-60 minutes, 9 kilograms. This is just spinning. This one is rising. Here we have the 3 levels of the drying, and this one is cotton. This is mixed, and the wool. This function is a refresh. This one is wool or the silk. This one is a mixed, and this is a cotton. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.